Yeah, I think we got a takedown, guys. Definitely got a takedown. Definitely got a takedown. Ozzy. Come here. Come here. Yep. Here. Reel it in. He's running. Reel it in. You're going to do all this. You're doing good. Keep going.
I got home, Mom.
Hold it up. Reel it in. There you go. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Haha! I already full.
Here, reel it in. Don't grab the line. There you go. There, he's in the lead. Here. Here, let me just pull him out. Oh.
Fish, come on out!
You gotta make sure not to break the rod. There's a big one. Yes, you did. Yeah, bro. Good job.
Where'd the treats go?
Look at that, Ozzy.
Where are the treats?
There's no treats over here. Look at that, Ozzy. Good job. Look at that.
Can I put a small rock in her mouth?
No, you're not going to put a rock in the fish.
Is it gonna hurt?
It'll hurt the fish, yes. Here. Say bye-bye.
No.
Hold the tail. Let me help you put him back in. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Give me 5.